So the decision is still to implement TLS directly in the app, use no TLS termination proxy. Put it in the description too, but so I'm gonna try and only do. I really want to only listen on 443 or whatever, 8443. But I'm not sure about. So, like each time on startup, at least in production, I want to fetch a Let's Encrypt certificate and not store anything locally. So, at least initially, my thought is that I'm gonna on startup before forking the worker children, I'll do whatever I have to do to get the certificate, and then that'll just be in a struct or whatever it has to be in, so that I don't know if I have to do that. I don't know. We'll see. But it should happen in main before anything else has happened to get the certificate. I guess actually I just need it when you open the socket for listening, and then that's going to automatically keep it in there. I don't know. I've never implemented anything with openssl before. So we're just going to find out what happens, basically. Yeah. I guess I can delete some of this stuff now. I don't know if I need to leave that in there. And this, is, I guess, is going to be a goner. I'll just copy it down here for the time being. Where was it actually used? So this, oops. What? Oh, did I just fuck that up? It's an A. I kind of hate that, or it won't. Whatever. Sticking the extra comment in there. So, I don't know. Did I actually do that correctly? It's create global IP, which I don't need the global IP, so I've already fucked that up. I think, because I actually, maybe I didn't. No. What is, oh, here you go. So, no, I did this. So, it's just not, oh, okay. Guess it's regional IP, whatever. Did I even copy that? Yep. And this is gonna assume, jeez. I think we're just gonna make the region the second param. Yeah, we're not doing whatever you call it. What did that do? Oh, God. I gotta figure out how you turn off that recording thing. So, did that do what I wanted? Oh, I didn't even do that. Did I even ever run that? Whatever. I'm actually not gonna do that. So stuff happened. This, I think I should say service deployment. Do you do namespace? I don't even think that works like that. Because namespace is not a thing. Oh no, I'm not going to be logged in. Damn it. I don't know why we got to wait so long. I gotta fix this permanently. This is just annoying. G-Cloud auth. Oh. Just when I looked at it before, I guess. Yeah. You can, I think you get a service account. Oh. Yeah. First, create a service account. First, be logged in, because you can't do any of this unless you're logged in, obviously, which is kind of... Jeez. Right. AI platform user. What? What? Yeah. I don't think I need... What was I doing that for before? Oh yeah, it was stuff for the cloud storage. But I don't know, like, I don't know what role I would need to be. Because I don't think it's AI platforms user. So what does this have? This should have for the same thing, I think, when I looked at it before. Should I be using the Cloud Shell? The problem, I guess, was that I didn't have access to my local files how I wanted. This is why I didn't do it before. Huh. You can use the built-in service account using Cloud Run Functions App Companion Engine or Google Kubernetes Engine. Okay, so there's a service account already existing that I could use, I guess is what they're saying. So oh. What? Oh. That's not gonna help me any. Well, uh, no. I guess it still can't do anything until you actually log. So I have to. Yeah. Okay. What do I need this? I need to be able to access GKE. Uh, what am I doing? Oh. Oh. Yeah, I probably have high privileges. Um, which is why I really like, yeah. So, God, this is so off track. Why am I doing? I don't want to do this anymore. This is what happens every time. Okay, I gotta get on with my life, and I don't want to do that. So, we'll just do this and do the old dance. And I gotta go over here for some reason. I forgot what the reason was. Or is that. No, wait. No, that was wrong. I've got to put it into this other one, the Chrome one. Because the other one don't work. Firefox. Okay. So let me see if I do this. Got nothing up there. So theoretically, nobody can see what I'm doing. If they can, they're about to have a lot of access. But since nobody's watching, probably it's not an issue. Is this it? Nope. The weird thing is you have to like always makes you like re-authorize stuff as well with the OAuth. Every time I get here, I'm like, what? Whatever. Close that. We are theoretically. What was I doing before this? Yeah. Okay, that worked. And yeah, namespace does what I thought it would. Nothing useful. Oh. Duh. There's not an ingress either. I assume this would be faster as well because you're, I don't know, looking for less stuff. Like if you do all, it's probably just looping through, or I don't know. It's got to get more data regardless. Anyhow, so this is the regional IP. Everything's working. We're on 80 because we don't have a certificate. And so now it's looking good. Why? Oh. You want pod? Is it pod or pods? Or does it matter? It does not matter. Is that everything? Does all do? Oh, replica set. What the fuck is a replica set? And really, I don't even care about what replica set is. And I don't know why it's not going away. Damn it. Oh. To a long list. Yeah. Deployment. What? So when I was doing a deploys and switching back and forth, then I think it was just switching between some of these that were the same image already. Because I think I did more deploys than that. Oh. So 10 is way more than I would even care about, but also doesn't matter. Okay, so I don't have to care about that is what the answer is right now. This doesn't work because why? Oh, because it's 8 HTTPS. I don't know that it has the right IP address. Was this a whole different question why this won't work? What site is it trying to connect to? It did this. No. It doesn't tell you what the IP address is resolved to. That's a bummer. Or maybe it does. I don't know what. I think it's maybe got the old IP address, and that's just stuck or something. Motherfucker. I want you to just totally quit this, and then we're gonna try to restore. Didn't know that was happening. No, it's doing the same thing. Wait. Oh. How did I miss this? What? I don't know. Maybe this is garbage. Abort. We're on this thing. Nothing's happening. Fuck. Why the hell won't it work? Is it actually blocking it because it's HTTP? What does this do? Oh. HTTPS only mode is not enabled. Ugh. This is a terrible fucking idea to put this into the browser to me. Because it seems to like hijack. So like if you have a VPN, it hijacks your thing and goes around your VPN. So that's broken. Yeah, that should not be on. That's reason enough to not use Firefox right there. Except for I don't know that Chromium hasn't started. This is not on anyway, so it doesn't matter. That was what I was primarily looking for, so that's not helpful. I don't know what it's resolving this IP address to. And I fixed my host file. Although, yeah, I don't know if that affects anything. Okay, well, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe we don't have to solve this problem right now. Although, I guess not being able to access your site from a browser is bad. We can just close all this. What is this? That's for later. Nope. Doesn't matter. And somehow we're off on this. Yes, C run. Is that the one that's the like written in C? Yeah, I should be using that one. And C library for running containers. Off track again. Why am I reading this? I've already read about it before. I want to know why this is not working. So that's another question. Does this work? I mean, I think I already tried this, so what? That's not helpful. It should be a redirect, and it is a redirect to the login code. So that looks like it's doing the right thing. So okay. What am I doing? Yeah, so this is working. This is not working. And I don't know why. Well, right there, it keeps swapping it to be fucking HTTPS. So what if I do this? Not that it matters because it's not going to work anyway. Yeah, I don't know that anything good's happening there. Okay, well, we're banning that anyway, so none of that makes any sense. Whatever. I mean, this clearly is working, even while not putting... Did they just not put HTTP on here anymore at all? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about changing for the form pages, but you are meant to just go back. Except for, honestly, dumbest fucking shit ever. Like, why is back not right there at the top? It's just so fucking stupid. And it's been this broken ass way since forever. Like, oh, yeah, I mean, this is... I don't know why any browser makers think that that's the right thing to do, to like sometimes have back right here. Like, that should always be there. You're just a fucking idiot. Sorry. To myself. I don't want to be that. I'm sure there's a good reason for them to do what seemingly is annoying and stupid. So maybe I should just. Why am I even using this then? If it's not going to work anyway. It's just a fucking abandon. No, not logged in. Great. Oh my god, I forgot to change it back. As usual. Jeez. Cannot do that. Or I need to like set a timer or something when I'm gonna. So bad. Does this work? No. No, we can't do any of that. Do I have? Oh my god. What is my two-factor auth thing? Did I set it up in this? Oh, there we go. Well, at least that worked. Now let's remember to. So, not yet. Okay. That's been off for how long? 20 minutes? That is unfortunate. What happened there? No. Yes. Ooh, man, I'm not good at that. Good. Nobody's watching. God dang it, what was that? Got to be that. Okay. Now we're off that. So. Oh. Does it have this? Nope, that doesn't do what I want it to. Acme certificate protocol. What is AI thing? Is there not just, yep. So there is an RFC. That's good, I guess. We're going to be doing fully qualified. No wild cards. gotta do JWS. This could get ugly. So, right. Do they have anything? Hmm. What? Hmm. Okay, whatever. So what do these actually do? Is this like how written in Bash? Hmm. Yeah. So this like where's the fucking script? Is it just this? Hopefully it is potentially. Mm, Jeez. Okay, so they are doing something. Like, how is it listening? Oh. Okay, I don't know. I don't care. It's off track. Let's just go to the source. Blah bitty blah. Go. What is this? Oh, great. We've got a whole background. So I guess you can use this same theory. You can use the Acme protocol to multiple CAs. Great. Okay. I cannot believe how stupid this is, but whatever. just think that it sounds like you gotta store something. I don't know what account means, I guess, actually. Or, yeah, I guess account maybe is like for the host name, basically. Hmm. I think you're gonna have to supply some sort of account, whatever. So yeah, I mean, most of this should be handled by openssl. So there was definitely multiple back and forths. Can you write into a secret from within a container? Like, could you do this stuff and then store into a secret from within the container? I would assume so. Revoke a certificate. So I guess technically when I shut down, I should revoke the certificate. Probably doesn't matter. Okay, whatever. Blah 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 blah. Acme client and Acme server done over HTTP between and Acme server. Yeah, okay. Oh great. Might have to implement some of that. I feel like they should have just used the signed request from the AWS thing. So this is required. So it's really the HTTP challenge that I should be looking at. Minus HTTPS client. Server access. Right. What is this? No. Also, if I implement this, I can replace curl. Since I'm now committed to openssl. What was the other thing I used it for? I had to use it for the AWS request signing. it's like a big long list of stuff you can't use, which I don't know, whatever. Jeez. This is sounding like a pain in the ass. Okay. Wait. Oh, it must be in. I thought that said must not like all the others. Oh my god. These people are crazy. Jeez. Why even have this post as get shit? Like, who fucking cares? You're just gonna like do the request and it's gonna return something. Why are you even describing this? What? Why is, oh my god, what? I'm gonna have to assume that people had a good reason for this, but yeah, it still is like, why didn't they just use the AWS request signing stuff? Ugh. Camel case. Psychopaths. So there's the first look at a thing. I mean, signal to noise is low. Low signal. Okay. Honestly, this is. Why is it written this way? I mean, huh? Just list the damn endpoints. Oh my god, what? Oh, so can you just fetch it from there? Like on startup, maybe you can just try to fetch one. I don't know, whatever. Why would you get a directory? What? Why are they doing a head on new nonce to get a, like, what are you doing? Now it's time to eat. How many? Seriously? Are you seriously? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 requests to get to the certificate. But I mean, if you can just do this one in most cases, if it's not expired, that would be handy dandy. But I wouldn't have the private key, so that's probably not going to work, is it? Are you fucking kidding me? I mean, do we need this? Wow. What is going on here? Yeah, so we gotta do this pointless request. That's one you could have just cut right out. And just directly said, these are the things. Like, why not? Hmm. Okay, I gotta